Dragway, Milan, Michigan. We've got Brian out here running his 4i Foxbody, nicknamed Patches. I'm pretty curious to see what this thing's gonna run. He's got a little, 408 on 408 crime coming up ahead of him. So let's just see what this thing can do. All right, Austin, how fast do you think Brian is going to go down the track right now?
Mile an hour?
Yeah.
142.
142, okay. What kind of time are you thinking?
954.
954, all right. Junior, how fast do you think Brian's going to go down the track right now?
I think he's going to go 940.
940? You got a mile an hour on that or what?
Let's say 142 miles an hour.
142, that's what Austin said too. All right, David, how fast is Brian about to go down the track right now?
I don't know. If it goes in the right direction, it should go 52.
52, all right, that's what Jones said too, so.
If it goes the wrong direction, it goes 60.
And so I'm pretty sure Brian is gonna run a 953 at 141 miles an hour. All right, Brian, so what's this thing gonna do, man?
Hopefully around 40.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What's a 40, bro?
940 in the quarter.
All right.
See what it does.
So what is this thing? Can you tell us a little bit about it or what? Is it a secret?
It's just a small block Ford. Got a forward motor in it.
All right, all right. All right, Big Nate, how fast is Brian about to go down the track in the quarter mile?
Brian's about to go so damn fast, he's going to light the world on fire. 917.
917?
Brian's going to light him up, man.
Give me a mile an hour with that.
131.
Woo, buddy, us moving. All right, so Brian ran at a 9:58, but we're gonna get faster this time. So we're gonna ask again how fast he's about to go. Jones, so obviously he just ran a 9:58, not the number that you were thinking about, but what do you think he's gonna do now?
952.
You're sticking with the 9:52. All right, I like that, All right, Junior, are you sticking with your number you had earlier? Or are you going faster, or are you going slower?
It says going 949.
949.
141.
All right, so now the launch RPM's turned back up. You're gonna pull the wheels off the ground and you're gonna make this thing go down the track. How fast you about to go?
Still gonna try for a 40.
Still going for a 40. I love it. I think it's gonna happen this time. All right, Mr. Tuner, what'd you learn from the last pass?
I didn't like the two-step being lowered. So
all right,
we'll turn it back up. I'm gonna try it again.
Yes, sir. We about to see a 40?
Fine.
right, so that last pass, you did go faster. How'd it feel though?
Felt all right. I think there's still some more in there to go.
Yeah, this is what, your maybe 10th pass in the car?
Somewhere around there. Second time out with it.
All right, you can't beat that, dude.
Hell yeah.
David is getting behind the wheel. Let's see what happens here as the tuner makes a pass in patches. You trying to bet $4 that David's gonna go faster?
Oh, he's
We got the monopoly over here, dude.
going faster.
You think?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
He's going faster.
All right, so the tuner took it for a pass and went fast.
Yeah, 1 at 51. 602 to the 8th.
Yes, sir.
Not bad. What launch for? Try to 2.7. I don't know how it's gonna like it. We can try it. If they come out here next Friday, we'll try it. Turn it up 200 more RPM, see what happens. Just put a couple in. You can have all of them. It's alright though, we're out here having fun, that's all that matters.
All right, Brian. Recap me the night, dude.
Been pretty good for the most part. Picked up a couple numbers everywhere. I might bring it out next week and see if we can do a little better.
Going for a 4 next week?
That'd be the goal. 590 pass.
You gonna change anything between now and then, or you just gonna roll with it?
I'll have to talk with my tuner and see.
Hey, but look at that carburetor.
There's the tuner speaking right there. Look at that carburetor.